Good morning, you beautiful people. So, today I'm going to talk about pendulums. Now, you can go on Amazon and buy them for as cheap as £1. There is an amazing crystal shop in Aberdare, mind. It's down the high street and it's like near a calf. She's phenomenal. I will share her information on Eternal Freedom because she is grand. But I want to talk about pendulums because you'll see a lot on TikTok, Facebook that they've got these boards saying yes, no, maybe. You don't need a board with a pendulum. So I made this pendulum out of quartz. I got this bit, the squiggly bit, off Amazon for £2, and this is just a silver necklace that I hold. So all you need to do, hold it still, first of all, and then you just say to it, stay still. Show me yes. And if my hands can stay still for long enough, so it will show you yes. So my yes is always a clockwise. Thank you. And always thank it, because it either comes from spirit or your higher self. And then you can say, show me, stay still. You can say, show me no. Now, my no is always anti-clockwise. Now, you can do this to yourself because my hands are naff with this. I need to hold it lower for it not to shake. So you can ask it all sorts of questions. You can ask it for when you've lost things in the house. So I draw kind of like a floor plan of my house, and I'm like, is the remote in this room? Is my phone in this room? And it'll say yes or no, and then you can draw it more in detail. I use this for everything. I go to my vitamin cabinet and I'm like, should I take this? Should I take this? Should I take this? And it is wonderful because it knows whether you should take things or not take things. These have been used for centuries. A lot of people use them for missing people. A lot of them use them for ley lines or finding sources on a giant map. They are perfect. They can give you insight into things. You can also use it, so you can draw a circle and write social, health, spiritual, hold it over each one and go, do I need to work on this? Do I need to work on this? And it will tell you different aspects of your life to work on. So you don't need to pay people on TikTok to do these questions. You don't even need to pay me. I offer it as a service. But you can do it yourself. Now, I'm cheaping myself out money because I love you lot and I want you lot to have the best spiritual experience. So pick yourself one off Amazon or any crystal shop. It doesn't need to be an expensive one. And all you do, how to program it, is literally saying, show me yes, show me no. Then, to cleanse it, put it in your windowsill for the moonlight, or get an incense stick and simply say, I cleanse my pendulum. Do this with your tarot cards, do it with your aura. It's fantastic. Now, I use incense sticks rather than the big sage sticks because I've got children and animals in my house. And believe it or not, incense sticks are safe for children and animals. So get yourself one of these and start asking your own questions. If you're unsure about things, ask it. And then you can literally get as many as you like. I've got about 6 of these. I've got one for earth work that I do, spiritual work that I do, aura work that I do. You can even do it for your chakras. So you can say, is my crown chakra open? Is my third eye open? Is my throat chakra open? Because then you can work on your chakras. It is amazing, and you can pick them up as cheap as £1. As always, any questions, pop them in the comments and follow along.